How to fix Skype username on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Skype username on Android phone. First open Skype and here just click this one here, click on your profile and then click settings, this one, and as you see here you will find account and profile. Click on it and now scroll down until you find your profile, and here just wait, and here you will find it, your username, and that's it. Just wait, just click on it and change it. It's easy, and then just click save changes, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.